Hey Andrew, I just wanted to clarify what they're asking of you in exercises 25 through 27. So in 25 it says add the list matching method in code 4.4 to your version of the product. So that's this method right here, right? And let's see, it says check that the method only lists matching files. Try it with a search string that matches none of the file names. Is anything printed in that case? And then the challenge is in list matching, can you find a way to print a message once before each loop has finished? If no file names match the search string. Hint, use a Boolean local variable. So these two exercises are the ones that refer to list matching, taking this method and modifying it so that it does what they're asking. This 27 is asking you to write a different procedure, or a different method. So it's asking you to write a method that plays samples by a particular artist. So it says, the list matching method illustrates the structure you need, but it's supposed to be a different method. So you want to use the play and wait method of the music player rather than the start playing method. Okay, so yeah, so that's or there's also a play samples by, I think. Let me just check it here. Play sample. Yeah, I think actually it's the, and I think you found it actually, yeah. It was the play sample that you want to do. So the method that you wrote that said list, it was called list matching, is actually the one that we want for, let's see, where is it? The one that you wrote that you called list matching is perfect for that 427 play samples black. But for the list matching, what they want, let me just show you what we'd like to see for that one, and I'll send you this test file too. Oh, if you're not clear on how to run these, set up these unit tests, there's a section in the website. Let's see. If you go to the Java course, and then I think it's, yeah, here, unit testing in BlueJ. Oh no, I guess it's not that. Maybe it's like page 4 here, I think. There it is. Introduction to using the unit testing tools. Okay, if you look on there, you'll find how you create these test classes. But anyhow, let me show you. So what we should see when you run the test, and like I said, I'll send you this test thing, for the test list matching is, let's find it now. Is something like this. So it's going to list out like all the big Bill Brunswick ones. There's only one by him. There's two by Blind Lemon Jefferson. There's none by Bruce Springsteen. So if you did the challenge, it should come out and say, it should loop through the whole list of files, and then since it didn't find Bruce Springsteen, it should come out and say no files matched for Bruce Springsteen. Okay, so that's what we're looking for the list matching procedure. So the one that you have that you called list matching, that's perfect for the that's perfect for 427. But for 425, 426, so you should rename the one that you created in 427. Like call it like play samples or something. And then your list matching should test out like this. It should list out. So rather than, following this code exactly, you're going to need to take this code and modify it so that it will print out at the end that nothing was matched.